For today's video, we are making a wig hat. This is the front and this is the back. That's the hat, and this is the hair that I want to use. But I also had this hair and I was thinking about it, but I didn't really like the curl, so I left it and went with the first one. I had those two. They are remnants from a hair pack that I did. They are synthetic hair, and so it's time for me to size. So I wore the hat and I just wanted to know where the hair will start and where the hair will end. And so this is what I just did to try and measure where I would start sewing and where I would stop sewing. So yeah, put the hair at the back and use the hat to just secure it. And I just went ahead to use a colored pencil. Yeah, that's just the measurements. I used a colored pencil to measure it. So yes, that's me just trying to, so I can know where to start and where to stop. And so now that I have that, all I just need to do is just get my needle and thread ready. Yes, I'm going to be sewing this wig hat. I am going to be sewing it. This is my first time trying this, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So that is me just doing the thread, putting the thread into needle. Please bear in mind that this hair thing is very new to me. I don't know how to yeah, I know how to make, like, do didi on my hair, but I don't really know how to make hair like that. And so this hair gave me issues. Oh, it did, let me not lie, it gave me issues, but I'm just happy that it turned out nice. So let's see. This is me just trying to measure the hair. I'm trying to see, because I don't want to go and be sewing back and forth, so I just put everything in one particular line so I can sew it once. And so this is me just trying to measure the hair and just arrange the hair. This was a struggle, because I didn't just know how to place the hat so that it would be easy for me to sew. And so the Amara'S you are seeing here is just confused. She doesn't know where to start, where to place the needle. And so I was just confused, but I later got the hang of it. I turned to the hat to the inside. I turned the inside out, and you could still see the colors. And what you just want to do is place the hair a little bit above where you have marked, because you don't want the hair to be exactly where you marked. Remember, the hair was at the other side when you marked it, so place it above where you marked. You can just a little bit, not 1 inch is too much, like half an inch from where you marked. So then you can start sewing. It is important that you do this. Don't start sewing from where you marked. Take it a little bit higher, and that is what going to make it sit properly. So that is what I was just doing. That's what I did rather, and I just went ahead to continue sewing. So at this point, I had just finished putting in the first, will I call it first strip of hair, and I was just trying to see, was it full enough? Did it sit properly? And so we just have to try it on. And when I tried it on, I didn't really like it. It was so scanty. And something I observed, because I was sewing, the hat became a little bit tight. What they call it, head warmer, ba? The head warmer became a little bit tight because I was actually sewing, but it still sat, that it made it secure. But I didn't like the fact that the hair was too scanty. You can see the back, it was just too scanty. And I knew immediately that I needed to add some more hair. And so I went ahead to get the other, I just packed everything together. It was like, what you're seeing here is over eight strips of hair. And so I want to add that now underneath, so that the hair can be fuller and it can look believable, it can look real, it can look really nice. So I went ahead to start sewing it. And in fact, I forgot again, this thing was giving me problems. I didn't know how to place the head warmer so that I can start sewing, but I later figured it out. This was when I remember that I had to turn the hat inside out and start sewing, and so it made everything way easier. You can see I'm putting it underneath the first line of hair that I have already sewn, and from here it was just easy sewing. So at this point, I was done. Like, this hair gave me issues, but I was done. And what you see me doing is just trying to tie the thread. I'm trying to secure the hair so that maybe if I want to brush it, it doesn't pull out. So what I did here is just tie the hair. And after that, as you can see, there is excess hair. So I had to use a scissors to cut out the excess hair. This is over eight would I call it 8 strips of hair. So I cut it out. So that is it. I found another strip hanging and I had to cut that out as well. So this wig hat is very, very useful to you, my sisters. You guys should try it out. I got that head warmer for 500 naira, and that is less than $2. And the hair was just remnant of the hair I'd fixed earlier. And this hair is really old. I fixed that hair very long time ago. I didn't know what to use the remaining hair to do, and this just popped up into my mind. Oh my god, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. You can share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and drop your comments if you really love what I have done here. If you try it, please don't forget to tag Amara'S Lifestyle. It looks really good. Don't you agree with me? I want to hear your comments in the comment section. This looks really, really good. I love it so much. I went ahead to use a comb to make it look a little bit fuller, and I really love how this looks. You can wear this hair to the gym if you are going for a jog, if you really want to step out and your hair is in a mess. This wig hat will save you. And it's appropriate for winter, it's appropriate for the Harmattan, like in Nigeria. So try it out. Let me know what you think about it. I really, really love it. If you found this video useful and helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what other thing you want me to try, and I'm going to be doing that. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.